Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with new releases for this Friday. I am not doing a wiggle this week, but I will be doing a Boxing Day event. I have a bunch of different things I will be putting up and you guys can head over to Instagram. I know we're going to do some sales on some of the like Christmas holiday type washi, Tien kits, things like that, and then it'll be the last chance to pick up any holiday kits before we let those run out / discontinue them. And then it will also be we're putting up some cool grab bags, and we're also going to do a final run of the ultimate kit random pool, and we're going to highly discount those. And I think I'm going to also put up the extra large grab bags again, just because you guys seem to really love those as well. And then I'm also going to put up some curated grab bags. Those won't be at any type of discount. They'll be at what we're going to sell them regularly. Obviously, it's still at a discount. They are Misfits, but kind of premiering those and seeing how you guys like them and see if I should continue them in the future. So these are all Friday items. Again, I'm not going to do a wiggle because we are doing something for Boxing Day. So let's go ahead and get into the releases for this week. The first thing here, we'll go into the first, I think it's 100 orders. We might have like 125 of them, but we for sure have like 100 of them, and these are little Scribbler vinyls, so we're going to just throw these in the first 100. I'm just going to say 100 because I'm pretty sure we have more than 100, but we have 100 for sure orders, so no matter how much you order, the first 100 will get a 3-pack vinyl die cut of those. Then we'll save the non-kit items for last. I just have 2 kits this week. Wanted to keep it, again, simple because of the holidays. So I did 2 anytime kits for this week. So let's go ahead and go through those. Honestly, love both of these so much. Like, ridiculously a lot. And I kind of want to use this one in March and this one in May. So they're just so cute. Very anytime, but I feel like that would be the perfect time for each of those. This one has silver faux glitter accents. So this one is called Jessa, which is a name I love. I've been naming kids some names just because some of these kids, I mean, like, what else would you, I mean, I'm sure you guys could think of a name, but I just thought I really like the name Jessa, and I just thought it'd be pretty. So really love all the vibes here, and I love the marble, I love the greens, and the more like neutral warm, actually it's kind of like neutral cooler tones. And then you have these really pretty gorgeous colors. Again, I think this would be so pretty for March. I love it. I love the silver in it. I love this little puppy. He's so fluffy and I just want to squeeze him. You have your little things, headers. I love these patterns. And I love this deco. It is so dang cute. And then you have the bottom washi, which I also really love as well. I just feel like it's such a pretty kit with kind of like different colors than you normally see. I mean, there is still like a pink in there, but I really love that the green is very prominent, but it totally, like, it's totally owned. Do you know what I mean? And then you also have that freebie, which I'm hoping to switch out soon. Marg's working on something fantastic for me to switch it out with, and I'm so excited. Then this one also does kind of mini kit. Both of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate. We do an unlimited stock for the first 3 hours on new release day, and then after that it's just whatever is left of stock. So the mini kits usually do run out semi-fast. Sometimes they do last till Saturday. Sometimes they run out in an hour. It kind of depends on the popularity of the collection itself. But I try my best to kind of guesstimate to make them last as long as possible. But that is Jessa in the mini kit. Then there is also options if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is how beautiful are these colors. I love them so much, so dang pretty. And then there's also an option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter washi. So I'm thinking about maybe keeping these in stock. I was doing them only for that weekend, but since I'm not doing bows now, and I feel like these are just so like iconic, honestly, like I've been using them like every week. Let me show you this week. Will you have seen this by now? Probably. But like, look at that. It's so fire. I used some Sadie stickers overlays, which she also makes them. They were $2 Tuesday, so they're not available in our shop currently, but I just think it's so fun and so easy, and you don't have to worry about cutting it or anything like that. It's perfect. And that is the Jessa kit, and I'm in love with this, and I'm for sure using this in March. I actually think I have all my March kits playing out, but I'm gonna move some around because that's gotta go in there. Maybe even June would be really pretty, or July would be really pretty. I'm gonna use it within the next 6 months, 7 months. Probably earlier than that, TBH. I love that kit a lot. Then there is this kit here, which is called Beauty Babe, which I love. Again, this one has like really pretty, like pinkish, rose goldish accent color. I love the navy in this kit. Wait till you see it. I love, again, the marble. Again, it's just a very anytime kit, but I just love the details and all of the different like makeup items, and it's just so like chic and fabulous. Again, love this blue with pink, and then this like more like kind of like a light denim color with the rose gold throughout. It is so dang pretty. Here is your extra full box here. I love these check boxes. Cannot wait to utilize those. I'll feel just like Jessica. Then you have your deco over here, which is a ton of makeup items. This is another great deco like section to, like, if you don't use them all, cut them off and you can use them for like getting ready and stuff, because they are so dang cute. Some of these could totally be really cute, like functional deco with like color changes. I've been loving these. If I use a kit without these, I'm like kind of low-key dying. And I love this bottom washi. It is so cute with the blue words. And then I love this pattern. I just think it's so pretty with the pink petals. Loving it. I have some fire art coming, like custom art in the new year. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So excited. I feel like I am just working with the best people right now, and I love it. Then there is the mini kit. So looks pretty similar to the ultimate. This is the page that is different. So you have a couple headers, a couple little things, so a couple quarter boxes, fancy labels, and then the pattern labels. And I just love these. Again, this deco section is just so aesthetically pleasing as well. And I love the rose gold throughout. Again, obsessed with this bottom washi. And then maybe I should start showing you guys it like this so you can kind of see a little bit better. But I think it'll like kind of pull together the colors to have this like bluer color here, and then it kind of pulls in to the date covers as well. But this is gonna look so pretty with an overlay. So ready for that. That is so dang cute. So that is the mini kit for Beauty Babe. I'm trying to see if I spelled that right. Yeah, I did. Okay. Something I would do is spell it wrong. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I think it was like 2 months ago, I actually made the sticker sheets like 0.01 inches, like just cut off a little of the white space, and now they fit in the bags better. Has anybody else noticed that? I haven't saw any hauls where anyone mentioned it, but let me know if you guys noticed. So this is the glitter sampler, if you want to add that on, the 15mm washi add-on if you want to add that on, and I also did do Fashion Girls for this one because I just loved the options available. So I did different skin tones because they did have like 2 girl options, and I liked them all so much that I wanted to kind of give variety. And it's also cool because I feel like sometimes whenever they're all 4 the same, I try to like mirror them so they kind of look different if you spread them apart. But you could totally use 2 girls and it gives like a really cool look because it doesn't look like 2 of the same like poses. Do you know what I mean? So I think it would look super cute, and it kind of like extends your kit. So really love this one's Fashion Girls. So that is everything for the stickers for this week. So again, we have Beauty Babe, and then we also have Dress Up, which are just great collections to have in your collection as far as some anytime kits go. But again, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this one in May and this one in March. If not March, which I don't think, I don't know. If not March, then June. I think actually I might do it in June. I feel like March might be a little bit packed already. Maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. And then the first, like I said, 100 orders will receive those. Then let's get on to the foil items. I'm going to do 4 foil releases this week because I feel like I'm just in the mood to do 4. Yeah. So let's do 4. So let's see here. So I've been using these pretty much weekly, and I love them. So these are kind of what's come on our new freebie. We have one that says Buy More Scribble Prints Co. And these ones say, these ones are actually different. So I don't know if I have one. No, I don't have one, but the other one says, I think, Buy More Scribble Prints Co. I'm pretty sure, or maybe Scribble Prints Co. new releases. I'm not sure. Let me show you on gold. Might be the easiest. It's the most contrast on the clear. So it does say Scribble Prints Co. Happy Meals. So you do have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 8 of those, and then you have new releases. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then you have Wiggle It Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those as well. So they are so cute, and they look adorable in a fancy label. If you guys watch my Planet Me's, you will probably have saw these. So I put them in a fancy label. There's a little bit of room on the top and bottom, which I think gives like a nice little border, and I think it looks so dang cute. Obviously, I can't use the SPC Happy Happy Meal. Maybe if I got like a really big like washi or foil order and I could use them, but these are so cute. Obviously you could totally use these on their own. You don't have to put a fancy label behind them, but that's just kind of a cute way that I've found to do them, and I love these so dang much. I think it's also because they're like a whole sticker. They're not just like the script. So love those. Then we have this sampler here that is by Jessica J. Crew Plans handwriting. This is so cute. This is a travel sampler, travel script sampler. So you do have a bunch of larger ones up here for kind of like bigger events. So pack, unpack, book flight, travel day, check-in, book car, rental, pick up rental car, buy souvenirs, check out, book hotel. And then you have a little mini vacation countdown on the bottom from 7 days all the way to vacation time. And we have those in all 3 foils as well. And then we do have these, which are our chunky glitter header. So the glitter header is like thinner, and now we're doing like a chunky glitter header. They are 3 different size dots, so same as before. And we do have them in 3 foil colors. I have been using these for about a month. I've been slacking on releasing them. I knew it was going to be a big release. I did use them this week, and then I used them this week, and I used them this week. And that one, this is the glitter, so this is like a thinner, which I think looks really pretty and dainty. And then here is the chunkier, so I'm gonna call it, I think, chunky glitter header overlay. So super cute. Again, 3 different size dots on there, same as the regular glitter header. These dots are just a little bit bigger. I think the littlest dot is the size of the biggest dot, and then it goes up 1 point size. If you're familiar, I guess, more with like the design elements, but these are super dang cute and I love them. They kind of give like a really like glittery effect to your glitter header overlays. And then I did do like the glitter header, the glitter full box overlays. I did do the chunky glitter full box overlays. And like the Wiggle Wednesday, there is a little oopsie on here. Let me zoom you guys in this way rather than holding it up. So there is a little oopsie on here like the Wiggles, and if you guys have been watching my new releases video, I am going to discount these. The Wiggles are already discounted pretty highly, but I'm going to discount these by 50 cents. The thing with these is I actually already ordered replacements, so whenever the replacements come in, I'm going to be replacing this listing with the corrected non-misfit item, and when I do that, I'm going to be putting the price back to normal. So if you do not mind the dot, I would definitely stock up on the misfit like version, the slightly misfit one, which, like I said, it honestly, when you put it on the full box, like this week I used them and I didn't scratch them off because you can't really tell. You can just mostly tell because of the intense contrast, but if you use your tweezers and you just slowly rub, actually hold on, you have to do it on, not on the sticker paper, but if you slowly rub on this, it will come off and you won't be able to tell whenever you put it on the paper. If you're like, I don't know what kind of pressure to put on it, you can totally test it out on my logo and just scratch it off there. But it is like a small dot, but I am going to be discounting them 50 cents because they are imperfect. And like I said, I do have the corrected ones on the way, so when the corrected ones come, I will be replacing these with the corrected ones. So if you do not care about the misfit, definitely stock up because they're going to be 50 cents off a piece, which is definitely a great discount on foil items. And then let's get on to the non-sticker items. I am so pumped about these. I love pockets. I am addicted to pockets. Anytime I see a pocket, I'm like, I need to get it. And I have been working for a really long time, mostly to get a rose gold that is close to our rose gold color and not like a coppery rose gold on pockets and acetate. Mostly because I wanted them. But I was like, if I want them, I'm sure you guys want them. So let's go ahead and look at these guys. So I do have pockets here. I went for the thicker pocket. I think that the rose gold, the foil type that they had to use, it was kind of like iffy if it was going to look amazing on the other type of pocket. So it was a little bit of a thicker pocket, though I don't really feel like it feels kind of normal, but I do get where like it's a little bit thicker than some of the like more like softer plastic ones I've had. This is definitely more of like a thicker plastic, less like a soft plastic, but it's still pretty malleable. It's just a little thicker. But I did do, these are going to be sold in packs. So you will get 4 of these in a pack. So there's going to be a silver one, a gold one, a rose gold, and then also a hollow. And I love these so much. and they're gonna look so great. I'm trying for my TN kits this year to kind of do a mixture of different foils. So the next one we're going to be doing is going to be a hollow foil, and then I feel like the next one we're going to do then is a gold, and then possibly a silver, and then the rose gold. So I'm trying to mix it up so you have the opportunity, if you use our TN kits, to kind of, you know, follow the foils in our kits, or if you want to use them obviously with whatever else, you know, you can. So then I also have acetate, which is so pretty, and also I was waiting to perfect our bow, and I just love it. This is my like simplified line bow, so I just love these. You guys will have saw this same pattern, was it in the Valentine? I think it was in the Valentine's Day. I used this one and it turned out so cute, and when I used it, I was like, yes, and I was so excited that I already had these on order. So when they came in, I brought home 4 packs because, and I probably need to bring home more because they're so pretty. And again, you're going to have the same foil colors. So this one, I don't know how to tell. Actually, just move this. This one is the hollow. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And then you have the rose gold, which they are the same foil colors as the pockets, and I tried to match them up to my foils as closely as possible. They are a different vendor than my foil stickers. And then you have the silver. So they will come in a pack of the 4, and they are so dang cute. I am so obsessed. I have some of my nail polish on this one though. Other side, and they are a really nice, luxurious, thick acetate, and I love it. It's the same acetate that is in our TN kit. I do not know what I did here. Oh, there it goes. But so cute. So those will be available this Friday as well. I'm like, what day? This Friday as well. So we will have the acetate pack, the pocket pack. We're gonna have the Jessa kit. We're gonna have the Beauty Babe kit. We're gonna have these for the first 100 orders. And then we're going to have the Scribble Prints Co. labels. We'll call them SBC labels. And then the travel script sampler. And then the chunky glitter header overlays and the chunky full box overlays. Chunky glitter full box overlays. So many words. But I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I am so excited for them. Everything in this is just so fire. I'm just like in love with these 2 kits. I think they're so pretty. I'm so excited for Anytime kits. I feel like I've been bogged down with holiday. I feel like I get excited for holiday in August when I'm like prepping everything. And then in this year, I'm actually already like, I already have my mood board. Well, Jessica's finishing the mood board for my like big Christmas kit for this year, so I could get it to an artist so I could have everything prepped. I'm gonna be prepped by like July. And then just so that whenever it's time to release, everything is ready to go. But super psyched about that. Yeah, I just want to get everything finished so that I can just relax the end of the year. But I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.